right, what's up everybody? My name is Rob Anderson. We're out here on the Las Vegas Strip with Dong and Allison. They're a couple. They've been together for how long again?
5 years.
5 years. We're gonna do a little bit of magic for them right here on the Las Vegas Strip. 5 years ago, you guys started dating. Went on a few first dates, got to know each other, held hands. What, did you set them up?
Yeah, I did.
What, oh, you started dating right here. Guys, Dong and Allison started dating right here 5 years ago. That's incredible. All right, we have to make this cool then. We're gonna do a trick representing the first time you guys went out on a date, because maybe you held hands. Maybe, you got to know each
I'm
other.
a little scared of boys, so.
Well, at some point you held hands, and if you didn't yet, you're about to tonight. Dong, I want you to help me out. I got a card here, the 6 of spades. Hold one hand out towards Allison. I'm gonna hand in the 6 of spades. Allison, I need you to please put your hand on top of that card. Put it on top, so there you go, you're holding hands now. See that? Now, with you holding hands just like that, I'm gonna take another card here, make sure it doesn't blow away. The Ace of Hearts, it's better for you guys to have because, you know, it represents love. You guys are in love. We're gonna take the heart. I don't wanna take your card away, but I think an even trade might be in order, so I've got the 6, and look what you guys have. The heart.
How did you do that?
Magic. All right, let's keep this going. I made a. Thank you, thank you.
We're literally holding it.
I know you were literally holding it, and yet it changed as if by magic. Well, check this out. I made a prediction before I came here. Saw the future. Believe that, Allison?
Sure.
Yeah, thank you. I cannot do that, but thank you for the vote of confidence. That would be impossible. I did make a prediction as if I could actually see the future, though. Again, so these cards don't blow away. I'd like you to hold these 4 cards in your hand just like I have them.
Okay.
So your hands just like this. Put your thumb gently on top, just so they don't blow away. Hold them just like that. You're holding 4 queens in your hand. They're not going to blow away, right?
No.
You're holding them. You're holding 4 queens in your hand right now. There's 2 black queens and 2 red queens, a heart, diamond, spade, and club. 2-part trick here having to do with your compatibility. Allison, Dong just chose the red cards, the heart and the diamond. You can keep either one. Would you like the heart or the diamond?
The heart.
The heart, Queen of Hearts over diamonds, love over money. She's a keeper. She's a keeper. Here's what's interesting. You chose 1 card from that pack. I selected 1 card. I predicted 1 card, and that card I predicted actually was the Queen of Hearts before I came here.
Are they all Queen of Hearts?
They're not. Actually, I took the Queen of Hearts from a different deck of cards. I was so sure of what you would do. And I told you, I knew what would happen. You guys were so compatible. I knew there's no other cards there at all. I didn't bring anything else with me tonight. Wow. So, glad that worked out.
Wow. I'm impressed.
Let's do one more thing. Thank you. One more thing and then the grand finale, okay? I want you guys each to take 1 small step back away from each other. Looking behind just to make sure you don't trip. 1 small little step back again. I would like you each to think of a happy memory from your relationship. Could be anything at all. Don't tell me what it is. Sometimes when couples are bonded over a happy memory, it's almost like they develop a 6th sense. Like something happens with one of you, but the other one feels it or knows about it. I don't know if you felt that way before, but I want to try to make it happen here tonight, okay? For this part, I'd like you to close your eyes, Dong, and just relax as you think about that happy memory. I promise not to do anything weird, all right? Nothing weird.
I'll watch him.
Yeah, she's gonna slap me in the face if I do anything weird, Dong. Allison, I'd like your eyes to stay open while you focus on that memory, okay? Because what we're gonna do is a little energy transfer between you two.
Okay.
We're gonna take a little bit of energy from over here where you're at. We're gonna drop it right over here where Dong is at. Cool? Nothing so far. It's as weird as it gets, okay? One more time, a little bit of energy transfer. We're gonna take your energy right there. We're gonna drop it right over here. Just pay attention to everything you hear and feel. And on the count of 3, I'm gonna ask you to do one thing, but eyes closed just for another second as we do this. Dong, please open up. I want you to be honest. You didn't peek, right? Did you feel anything touch you while your eyes were closed?
My nose.
You felt something touch your nose?
Yeah.
For real? We didn't set this up, did we?
No.
Did I touch him?
Yeah, no. I just said you touched me.
Yeah. I touched you. Where?
On my nose.
And you felt it happen.
I did.
And for real, I didn't tell him. I didn't touch him, right?
What?
But you felt it happen. Or you felt it happen.
I felt it.
I want you guys to leave here and later on tell each other what you thought about, what the memory was after you go home. It'll be fun to share that because it's obviously a very special memory for you guys in your relationship. All right, let's finish up and get you guys out of here. I have one last thing I'd like to show you tonight. Come on back a little bit closer. Words are very important, especially when someone means a lot to you, right? You want to find the right words to tell them how much they mean. My man Dong here is probably good with his words. Not always. I wrote some words down tonight, but they don't mean anything. I just started writing, and that's what came out. Lim Irma Yurma Whirl. But when we're in a relationship like this, it's always important to find the right words to tell someone how much we care, how much we love them. Now, these words aren't anything that either one of you want to say to each other. Something tells me, though, Dong, there may be some words which you'd like to say to Allison tonight, right? Certainly not these words on this card. I have a feeling, though, the words you might want to say may look something more like this. Would that be right?